and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another smoothie for you guys, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I have a ton of breakfast type smoothies on my channel by now. I have also a detox smoothie, I have an anti-bloating smoothie, but this one is going to be a kickstart smoothie. So this is going to be perfect for you right in the morning to just kickstart your day. You're going to have a ton of potassium and calcium and vitamin C from your blueberries. We have our oats here, we have our banana, then we have our flaxseed meal, we have our almond milk, all good stuff to get you guys ready and kick-started up in the morning. So as always, we're just going to go ahead and grab our nutritional or whatever blender it is that you guys want to use, and then we're just going to be adding all these ingredients in. So I'm going to go ahead and add the almond milk, the bananas in first so we don't splash around. So as you guys know, I always just label my bananas and I freeze them ahead of time. Now if you notice that your bananas are getting brown and you don't want to throw them away, a lot of times I freeze them. So I'll make smoothies with them, or I'll freeze them for a later time when I want to make banana bread if I can't make it right away. So always a good tip. So we have our bananas in here. We have our blueberries. I'm going to take about half of a cup of our blueberries. Now I'm going to add in the almond milk. And then we're going to add in our oats and flaxseed after that, just to make sure everything is well blended. You don't want to add any type of powder like that first, that way, you know, it'll get stuck over here and not get blended once you spin it over. So I'm going to go ahead, put the lid on this, get this stuff out of the way, and then we're going to get to blending. Alright, let's get to blending. Check that out, you guys, always with the blueberries. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this to another cup, and then we're going to try some. Okay guys, we're all done. Can't wait to try this. This is so good, you guys. Love this one. Now if you guys aren't crazy about ginger like in my last two videos, you'll be super psyched about this one. This is super good, super delicious, nice and sweet, and perfect to start off your day in the morning. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, definitely make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody who ever skips breakfast in the morning, or who doesn't have energy and they just want something nice, quick, and easy to get their day started. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.